Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am very excited to try out the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. So this is one of the products from my December 2022 Boxycharm Premium Box, which of course I have that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But I was excited to get this because I love trying out setting sprays, but I'm very picky. I wanted to actually do something for my skin and my makeup, and the fact that this is a dewy setting spray has me very excited and intrigued because that's what I look for in my setting sprays. I really do want it to give that dewy glow sheen to the skin, hydrate my skin and my makeup, refresh the look of my skin, and that's really what my face is needing today. So this retails for $22. Ooh, and this has niacinamide in it, which is a great skincare ingredient. It's watermelon scented. I have tried out a bunch of products from the Ciate London Watermelon Burst line, and I usually love them. I really love the primer. Oh my gosh, and this even has fresh watermelon extract in it, so that's really cool. It's cruelty-free and vegan. So many great things going on with this product right here. Let's get into trying it out. And it is so pretty. Of course, I love the pink packaging. And so I'm just going to test this out to start by applying it to half of my face so that we can hopefully see a difference. So just give it a little shake. Ooh. First, before I actually apply it to my face, I'm going to do a little test spritz here. See how the bottle is. Ooh. Okay, I like that. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Like I would literally use this as like a body spritz or like a hair mist because it smells so good. Oh, such a juicy, delicious watermelon scent. Watermelon scent is probably my favorite fruit scent. But it does seem like a good spray bottle because it soaked my hand. Some people are really into the super fine mist, and some of the expensive setting sprays are that super fine mist where you can't even feel it on your skin. And I mean, I guess that's nice, but I want my skin to actually be drenched. And this seems like a spray bottle that's going to do that. So let's see how it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is a fierce spray bottle that really drenched my face. And I always just fan my setting spray after I apply it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take my little Boxycharm paper here and just fan it dry. But look at that shine that we are immediately seeing versus without it. It actually gave really beautiful glow, dewy sheen to the skin. It's still drying down a little bit, no surprise, because it really did soak my face. However, it's actually drying down relatively quickly for how soaked my face was. Yeah, it definitely feels like it moisturized my skin. It looks like it moisturized my skin. I feel like my forehead is a good place to really see the comparison because you can just kind of see that glow coming off of this side of my forehead versus without it. Just dull. And my chin was feeling dry too. Now, no more dryness there. And then I feel like on my cheek here, now that it's dried down, that's where I can really see that dewy glow. See it versus without it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm not wearing too much makeup right now, just some concealer along like my nose, my chin, my under eyes, and it doesn't look like I'm wearing anything on my skin. It's just so skin-like, so melted into my skin. And I'm so glad to see like it really did dry down to the way it looked after I applied it. Like it still kind of looks like a freshly misted, almost like moist, wet skin, but it's dry. Oh my gosh, it feels so hydrated. Okay, loving this. Such a noticeable difference, and that's what I was really hoping for. Well, now this side of my face feels refreshed and hydrated, so I've got to go ahead and apply it to the other side. Ooh. Took me until my last spray to realize it's like a long spray that instead of just like holding it in one place and pressing it, like I can actually hold it and like continuously spray in one motion. Like one spray can cover the whole area of my face, if that makes sense. So wow, I really like this spray bottle. What size is it? If it's 2.54 fluid ounces. So this technically is TSA travel size spray bottle. And I really am going to continue using this, and I will hold on to this spray bottle and refill it afterwards, because this is seriously like a perfect setting spray bottle for me. Oh, and just the smell of this on my skin too is so enjoyable. It's not overpowering in my opinion at all. Like everything about this I love. The spray bottle, the way it looks on my skin, the smell of it, just everything about this is exactly what I look for in my setting sprays. So I'm so glad that I have this in my collection now. If you've tried it out, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. But yeah, really, like I didn't even fan this side of my face, and it's just drying down so nicely, pretty quickly, much faster than I would have expected. But my skin is looking dewy, smooth, hydrated. It feels so good and refreshed. I feel like I can't say enough good things about this. So I highly recommend. I could see myself repurchasing this after using it up too, because I'm, like I said, so picky with my setting sprays. The one that I'm currently using right now, I'm gonna kind of drag it because I'm not loving it. The Pixi Glow Mist, the like cult following, super fan favorite Pixi Glow Mist. That's probably not exactly what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about. This to me is so much better. It gives so much more glow to the skin. That Pixi one, I just feel like I'm not seeing much of a difference, not getting much hydration, and I've been using it every day for like a couple weeks now, but I think this needs to be my new daily setting spray. Well, so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.